Hey friends, this is Audrish and welcome back to my channel Hued Mood. So in this video I will be sharing something new. So friends, if you have been using PCs for a long time, then you would know that keyboard shortcuts are the best way to use your computer. So in this video I will be sharing some cool keyboard shortcut tricks that will ease up your daily task. So without further delay, let's get into it. So friends, in the first trick, I will show you how to capture screenshot or capture snippets. So the page you want to capture screenshot, you have to open that page, and I am going to select this particular area and I am going to take the screenshot of this particular article. So for capturing the snippets, what you have to do is you just have to press Windows key, Shift and S at the same time. Then you have to select it by dragging your cursor and select the area that you want to take the screenshot. After selecting the area, leave the cursor. So the area got selected and copied. So I am going to paste it in my the WordPad or any paint option. So I am going to open a paint tab. Then I am going to paste it over here, and now as you know that we can save it from here. So this is the cool trick. And another important trick I will show you. Basically we know that for it's the general way we can take screenshot by simply pressing Windows key and print screen. So I will show you by taking a screenshot. So I am going to take the screenshot of YouTube page. So I am pressing Windows key and print screen. After that it got saved in pictures folder, and there will be a subfolder named screenshot, and I can see my screenshot has been saved over here. As you can see, it got saved properly. So in the next trick I will show you how to open settings without going to start and write settings. You can open settings quickly by following this step. What you have to do is you just have to click on Windows key and I at the same time. Then it will immediately take you to the settings tab. So it's really simple. So in the next trick we will see that how to zoom or magnify any part of the screen and use the system by magnifying the screen. So for this you have to click on Windows key and plus sign. As you can see, it got magnified 200%. So now dragging or just moving the cursor, you can use the entire screen. So it's really cool. So friends, in the next trick I will show you how to go to network connections quickly. For this you have to click on Windows key and R, and you have to write ncpa.cpl. Then hit enter, and it will take you directly to the network connection tab where you will find your Ethernet options and Wi-Fi. So it's really cool. Now I will show you for quickly opening of control panel programs and features option for uninstalling a program or viewing a program that has been installed. So I will share the very easy way. You have to click on Windows key and R, then you have to type appwiz.cpl, then hit enter. So it will take you directly to the programs and features tab where you will find all the programs that has been installed on your system. So it's really simple. So friends, in the next trick I will show you how to open Task Manager for managing all the application that has been running on your system. For this you have to click Control, Shift and Escape, and it will directly open the Task Manager, and you will get all the option in the more details section. You will click the more details and all the processes that has been running, it will show it over here. As you can see, all the process are running and you can control it over here. So friends, in my next trick I will show you how to swap tabs in Google Chrome. So I will show you by opening Google Chrome. As I have opened multiple tabs, and for swapping the tabs I have to press Control and the number of the tab. So if I want to go to WhatsApp tab, I will have to click Control and 5. So it will go to WhatsApp. As you can see, it has opened the WhatsApp tab. So if I want to go to YouTube, I will have to press Control and 2. As it's showing that on my second tab YouTube is selected. So if I want to go to the Telegraph India tab, that the last tab, so I will have to click on Control and then we'll have to click 6, Control and 6. So let's see. Yeah, as you can see, it has swapped into that Telegraph tab. So it's really simple. By pressing Control and the number of the tab, you can directly go to that particular tab. So friends, thanks for watching this video, and if you like this video, just let me know in the comment section below, and like, share, subscribe. So we'll catch up in my next video. Till then, bye.